PT National Utility Helicopters (NUH) has been airborne in Indonesia since February 1969, in the early of oil and gas exploration in the region. 1970, NUH performed first cooperation contract with HUFFCO to operate helicopters in Badak Field, with 2 units of Bell 47G4 and 5 units of Bell 205A1. We are the first to equip Bell 205A1 helicopter with floats to support Union Oil offshore activities in north of Badak in 1972. Until now, we have reached more than 400,000 hours of flight. To achieve our vision to be a leadership in the region, we are striving for being the best helicopter charter service provider that come with high safety standards. Our mission is to comply operation safety regulations issued by regulators or customer standards by providing advanced helicopter fleets, operates and maintains accordance to the regulations issued by regulators or customer standards. We are committed to high performance quality standards, and we continuously and consistently escalate customer satisfaction to add value to the stakeholders that will make NUH to remain the reliable, versatile and cost-effective helicopter service that it has become known for. National utility helicopters have spread wings to the most remote region in Indonesia. The proven superior performance capability of Bell helicopters and Eurocopter has also meant to be more efficient and effective maintenance management. Bell 412EP and SP can fly for VFR and IFR operation conditions with the maximum takeoff weight capacity of 11,900 pounds. Bell 412EP and SP can perform offshore or onshore during VFR or IFR operation conditions, where it can accommodate 2 pilots and 13 passengers on board. The AS350B3 can only be flown for VFR conditions. This helicopter can accommodate for 1 pilot and 4 passengers on board, with a maximum takeoff weight of 5,225 pounds. And other reliable helicopters, the EC130B4, can only be flown for VFR conditions, accommodate 1 pilot and 6 passengers on board, with maximum takeoff weight of 4,960 pounds. A typical operation would involve 1 or more of our helicopters to transport personnel and equipment to a site deep in the jungles of Southeast Asia. We accomplish this task by flying such equipment either as an internal load or when conditions demand, as an external sling load. We sling in the entire equipment that makes up a drilling platform, from rig to derrick, including engines, mud tanks, pipes and casings, cement and tall. Our pilots are some of the most experienced in the business. Our most reliable pilots have logged approximately more than 15,000 hours pilot in command and have a total combined flying experience of more than 19,000 flight hours. Our deepest pride is to be member of Indonesia National Air Carriers Association since 1970, member of Helicopter Association International since 1980, Bell Helicopter recognition for over 40 years of Bell Helicopter operations, recognition of Pilot Award for having accomplishment of 5,000 accident-free flight hours in Bell Helicopters, and other proven recognition. And certainly, by prioritizing the safety, because safety is an attitude. If you are not sure, stop.